What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Shit254, man. As you can see here in the bathroom, getting ready to change out the blade on my clippers. And it's summertime, it's hot. Can't get rid of this hair on top of my head. So as you can see here, the blade broke. So we ordered a replacement. Let's see. Ordered a replacement from Amazon. These are made by Fairlux, and they should fit just fine. So I'm gonna get these swapped over, and then we're gonna attempt to make a video of us cutting our hair, time lapse or whatever. So stay tuned. Alright, so I just got a small screwdriver out the garage. It might be too big. Very small one. So actually, this bigger one looks like it works better. I know this won't necessarily got nothing to do with cars, but you try going outside working on a car in hot ass heat with all this damn hair on your head and tell me how that works out for you, buddy. So yeah, old blade off. Take new blade at the pack. Boom, boom. And the thing with these, you gotta be real careful because they will break on you. They will break real easily. So in addition to there are some smaller screws to where you can set the depth of your blade. It pretty much just goes up in there like that. So let me get all that set, man, and I'll catch y'all back on. One thing I noticed from this one to that one, this one looks like it's made out of metal, whereas the other one looks like it's made out of other one look like it's made out of some kind of plastic. A hard plastic, but plastic nonetheless. So, but I won't bore y'all with that. Let's go ahead and get my shit cut in. We're gonna get out to the garage. So that's what I'm kind of good enough for government work. You know what I'm saying? We, for the most part, we're gonna stay cool and everything like that. But yeah, you know what I'm saying, real crispy, like, yeah. Yeah. All right, let's get to it. If anybody was curious what I use to cut my hair and this T-trimmers, you know, your regular black barbershop special joints for the lineup, and then I got them also 76s. Also your OG black barbershop originals, and probably other barbershops around the world. But however, just because you have the tools of a professional does not mean that you will get professional results. So results will vary. All right, so see if we're in a light of the, yeah. So we finna get ready to go. Why did the focus way the hell up there? Like, I don't want to be right there. I want to be right here. Right here. All right. Time to go downstairs and get it in. Oh, that boy. Ooh. All right, so we out here. We outside. Got a G-body, B-body. Oh, she done got fancy. The summer done came, she done put her little shade up. I probably coulda, shoulda did the same thing, but now to put that damn suction cup up there, trying to get ready for the event. The big shaboom. I need to wash my truck as well, but what I'm finna do now is clean out whatever needs to be cleaned out. So I got shit everywhere. Fucking tool bags, fucking jackets from work. There go my trouser thing. Got photo equipment, got jump boxes, got everything. So I'm gonna get these cleaned out. I might just wait till the fucking weekend, cause I ain't gonna do nothing. Probably put some more shit in here. Yeah, we'll push this back a couple days, or at least start when it's not as fucking hot. But yeah. But as always, hustle don't stop, grind don't stop. Last video you seen that we had got the tight bond. Well, it was a live. We got the tight bond so that we could use that to put our creation here, which is not glued yet. It's just held together by the clamps. Let me see how I'm gonna grab this without it falling apart. I mean, technically it should be good. I just knowing my luck, that's how it'll go. All right, we got it. We got it. All right, so there's a console equalizer. I think I decided against going back and wrapping it. However, I would have to bring it down. And wrap the I guess to cut it like right off in there, so that when I do, let me just cut this fan off. I noticed in the other videos the fan was on and like it just was real distracting. There's another one over there, but it's not as loud, it's not making as much noise. So like I was saying, if you look here, like I'm saying, there's just a little crevice off in there, so you have to cut that, get that flush, wrap your pieces, and go from there. Let's see. Still learning, trying to work the gimbal the right way or whatnot. without having to actually physically move it. It'll probably help if I read. I don't ever read the instructions first. I'll just go for the gusto. I'm like, I can figure it out. But you spend more time trying to figure it out. You could have just read the directions from the jump. So, let's see. So yeah, that's pretty much for that. I just have to see how I am going to wrap this and glue it. I know that the pieces are pretty much done individually. I'm not even too much worried about the routing, because me and that router table is not getting along at all. Like I'm really ready to just throw the whole thing away and go buy me one. But I don't know that I wouldn't have the same results. So, as y'all been seeing in the video, we've been getting it in with the jigsaw and everything like that. So gotta do my research, see exactly how it is. We're supposed to get that to come together so that we can wrap the pieces, glue them together. I don't know if I'm wrapping in, then gluing, or I don't know. I might have to reach out to the guru, to the console god, see if he'll give me just one little tip. Yeah. And see exactly where we're supposed to go from there. So. Other than that, that's coming along nicely. Also, like I said, I was going to try to do my best to remember to put it in every video. The tarp reveal 10,000 subscribers. But if you want to know what's under there and what we done already started doing to it, then get you a membership, $4.99. Support the LSCR Nation. Get the exclusive videos. Also get the emojis and the badges, and just show your support, man. I really do appreciate it. And oh yeah, another update. So I remember we were having an issue with these fans. So come to find out, there was something that was going on with the fan plug as well as the plug. Like something just wasn't right. But now we good to go. We got those. They're good to go. So we got the plug. Got another set of fans. That's the beauty of having a warranty. Or one of the beauties. And we can pretty much go from there. I'm trying to see exactly how we would do that. That's another thing I'm gonna have to do. The Cutlass, I did go ahead and get the switch. I got the switch right up here. I think this is the one. Waiting on them boys outside. So I went ahead and got the switch from work. I'm just gonna have to find a time to go ahead and get it put on or whatnot, and then hopefully that'll solve our little issue that we was having intermittently. I honestly don't know if it's really that, because I went back the other day. So you go get the keys. So I got the keys. And but yeah, the other day I came out here. I don't remember exactly what I did, but like I tilted the steering wheel or shook that bitch. And my shit dead? Oh, that bitch ain't saying nothing. Oh, that bitch dead. Now I gotta put that hole in the charger. Well, that's something I gotta do before I go to work. But yeah, anyway, it's cranking. Matter of fact, let me grab that jump box. Let me grab that jump box that we got over here in the truck. I'm telling you, boy, it's already hot as hell, man. It ain't even 12 o'clock yet. Ridiculous. It really is ridiculous. I was gonna say, shit, I thought somebody stole my battery. Yeah, I know I had the smaller ones, man, but honestly, it's just a piece. I don't know, maybe like a certain piece of mine that come with the larger one. For me. Alright, so put that on like that. Put on there like that. Turn the jump box to the on position. Looks to be charged up most of the way. It might just be that switch though. No, it's the battery. Oh yeah, that bitch like dead. Actually, I don't want to say shit. Alright, so yeah, I'm about to try that bitch up. Well, damn, child. But it should, that bitch should jump with the box though. Let me move some shit right quick. Get a good old connection up top. For that one. And for this one, a lot of time the connection that you have can make all the difference in the world. Ask me how I know. Ask me how I know. Yeah, she ain't trying to say shit. So I might have to take that battery to work and fucking warranty that bitch out. It is under warranty. If that bitch is dead like that, cause I just cranked it hell up less than a week ago. Oh well, we tried. We gave it our best shots. So, and it's at like 3 bars. Hold on, y'all. Shit. Fuck, it's hot. I'm sweating. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I don't think it got nothing to do with that. I think it's the jump pack. So we are going to use our Harbor Freight jump pack, which is at 100%. Set that bitch to jump. Almost had it. Gotta be the battery. Gotta be the battery. Or not. So that's gonna do it for this video, man. I just have to make sure the battery charged, or like I said, I might just go warranty it out. I really don't feel like taking all that shit out the battery though. I know, it ain't nothing but a couple screws, but they gotta actually test bad as well, so let me put my little battery charger on and see what it says. Alright, so this is one that I bought from like Amazon like a while ago, man. I think I paid maybe $20-30 for it. Not real high tech, but to get the job done. And then y'all saw the video that we just did the other day with the code reader, which also read the battery and also test the alternator. I'm gonna just check this out right here. Let's read. So it's sitting at 11.4 already. So this just tested it at 274. So it definitely needs to charge. So what I'm gonna do, pull the charge out here and let it charge it up. The only thing I kind of hate doing it in the summertime. It'll be hot as fuck. So, but you gotta get done either way. So might as well go on and let it do it. Let it do what it need to do while I'm at work. That way it don't really kind of hinder the process. You know what I'm saying? 2 birds, 1 stone type shit. You know what I mean? Alright, so got our power cable ran out to the car. We're gonna do what we do what it do while we at work. We good to go. I'll check it again tonight when I get off. But yeah, that'll pretty much wrap up that video. As you can see, always trying to improve and bring you the best content, best quality, best all that. You know what I'm saying? So coming up should be the fan install. We should be getting them installed here pretty soon. Getting this console wrapped up and put in the getting the console wrapped up and getting it put in the thing in the box Chevy out there. Temporarily, because probably me and Cortez gonna have to coordinate about this stash and things, about when we're gonna get busy on that. Of course, my schedule is the one to be busy as shit, and I definitely want to be there when we do it, just to get the hands-on experience, etc., etc. Not that I plan on doing it again, but just to be in the know. You know what I'm saying? Give a helping hand, make everything go smoother. Then after we'll be getting these installed here pretty soon. I haven't forgotten about them. They kind of in the way now. So, but I honestly wanted to finish getting everything dialed in with the tune. We about halfway We 50% there. You know what I'm saying? I'm still dialing in the VVE table. Well, not a VVE, the VE table. I got the mass airflow dialed in pretty easily, but there are still some low spots that need, you know, fuel added, etc., so it doesn't lean out, etc. Don't want it too rigid, but don't want it too lean either. That's why we was running into them issues with the running into the issue with the spark plugs. Had a couple spark plugs cracked, and all that contributes into the whole process. Also with the popping, something else like the popping on acceleration and stuff, something else that possibly occurred to me is that it could be the fuel. With the, I'm not exactly sure, but with the 243 heads, yeah, with the 243 heads on the 6.0, I don't know if that changed the compression. If anybody knows, well, I'll make a whole separate video since this is at the end of this one. Maybe not. I might just ask. But I'm thinking, it occurred to me the other day that it could be just like pre-ignition. It's not doing it all the time, it only does it under load. So maybe we need to go up a step, maybe 89. I don't know if we would need to necessarily run 93, but probably what I'll do in the meantime, since we already got gas in there, is put an octane booster in there and see if that makes a difference. So, till the next time, it's your boy Ellis254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.